everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on Microsoft Teams. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. And above here we search about Microsoft Teams. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here in this page of app info we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix the problem. So don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. Thank you for your watching and your attention. Bye. And your attention. Bye.